guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this vogue filter on Snapchat. So let me remove this first. Okay, so to get this effect you can visit this website. Link to this website is in the description box below. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and you will see this pop-up in your Snapchat. Now tap on unlock for 48 hours and that's it, you got the filter. You can tap wherever you want the vogue text and you can tap on the screen to send the text to back and tap again to bring the text to forward. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.